Hello everyone and welcome. Short update, I promise you, it's done. The guys did it. These guys are awesome. The guys that I hired to do the windows, because now I finally have a closed off house. And let's get started. Let me just show you. So this is the kitchen door. Yes, it works. It locks. It does everything. I have a kitchen door. I'm so happy. I'm sorry about the echo. Not sorry. I'm so not sorry. Oh man, it feels good. And check out this wonderful doorway on my entry. It has an arch. It has everything. It's absolutely amazing. All right, let's go head upstairs and I'll show you the French doors to the terrace. It's great. Oh man, I have a freaking finished house. I can spend my spring, summer, and autumns here. I cannot believe this. Oh man, and check this out. Full French doors. I'm gonna go on the terrace, but so you can see them. But they're too big to fit in the frame from the door, from the inside. So look at that wonderful. Hold on. All right. Wonderful French doors. Yes. Going. Oh man. And the piece de resistance. Let's see if I can climb a ladder while holding this thing. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Wish me luck, and hopefully I won't fall. Alright, there we go. Wasn't that hard? The tower is done. It's fully windowed and everything. The tiny exit out on the roof and the big. I'm trying to frame it. And the two massive windows. Yes, and of course the little door. Look how tiny this door is. This is the entrance to the attic. All right, guys. I'm done for this year with the house, and everything that I set out to do this year has been achieved. I completed the barbecue. I've got windows on my house. Woohoo! I can't believe it. All right. Thank you all for following me on this journey, and I'll see you all next year with a little more work on around the house. And keep posted. Another video is coming soon. All right. Bye. See you later. And if you like the content, please share, subscribe. You know, the likes, the works. You know, stuff. Bye.